QuickCreator SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to QuickCreator and other useful SEO tools are in the description. Let's dive straight into what QuickCreator offers, who it's for, and whether it's the right tool for your SEO strategy. QuickCreator is an AI-powered content generation and optimization tool designed to help businesses and marketers create high-quality, SEO-friendly content quickly. It leverages artificial intelligence to generate blog posts, landing pages, and website content optimized for search engines. Features: QuickCreator's primary feature is AI-driven content generation, allowing users to create fully optimized articles in minutes. It integrates keyword research, NLP-based content structuring, and automated internal linking to improve on-page SEO. The tool also provides real-time SEO analysis, ensuring that generated content meets ranking criteria before publishing. Additionally, it includes an AI-powered landing page builder, making it useful for businesses looking to generate pages that convert while maintaining strong SEO performance. QuickCreator also supports multilingual content generation, making it a great option for international SEO strategies. Who is it for? This tool is ideal for digital marketers, content creators, SEO professionals, and businesses that need to scale their content production without sacrificing quality. If you're managing multiple websites or looking to generate high-converting landing pages while ensuring SEO best practices, QuickCreator can significantly streamline the process. Strengths. One of QuickCreator's biggest strengths is its efficiency. The AI-generated content is optimized for search intent, reducing the time needed for manual SEO adjustments. It also offers seamless integration with existing marketing workflows, and its real-time SEO scoring ensures that every piece of content is optimized before going live. The multilingual support is another advantage for those targeting global audiences. Additionally, the built-in landing page builder makes it more versatile than standard AI content generators. Weaknesses. While QuickCreator is powerful, it has some limitations. AI-generated content still requires human editing to maintain uniqueness and readability, as some outputs may lack depth. The customization options for landing pages are somewhat limited compared to dedicated page builders. Additionally, like most AI tools, it may not fully grasp niche-specific content needs, requiring additional refinement for industry-specific topics. Final verdict: QuickCreator is a solid AI-powered SEO tool for marketers and businesses looking to streamline content creation and improve their rankings. While it's not a complete replacement for human expertise, its automation capabilities make it a valuable asset for scaling content efficiently. If you're looking for a fast and effective way to generate SEO-optimized content and landing pages, QuickCreator is worth considering.